Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome to my channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. You know anybody who get delivered from some demon and then they go all themselves careless so that the demon them go come back and carry all them friend them come with them? You know anybody like that? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, may I invite you to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here, so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 11 from verse 24 to verse 26. When one wicked spirit come out of somebody, it go through desert and look place for rest. When it not find nowhere, it say, me a turn back go to the house where me left. When it catch back, it finds the house sweep clean and everything neat and tidy. The demon see that and go find 7 more spirits were worse than him, and the whole of them go live there. In the long run, the man have a worse off than before. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.